in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a talking avatar, that is a 3D animation video, by simply making use of playground.com. Now, Playground has all the features needed in order for you to be able to create an AI talking avatar, and you can easily create and edit images like a professional without being one by simply making use of playground.com. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So you want to simply get started for free by simply just signing in with your email address, and it's going to take you right onto the playground.com field. And once you're right here, click onto create, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to simply put in a prompt to create our studio. So I'm just going to paste in this particular prompt right here, and once you're done, you go onto your model. So let's make use of the stable diffusion Excel, and once you're done, select your ratio, that is the aspect ratio, which is this right here. Then guys, the next thing you want to do, you want to simply click on to generate. So right here guys, so I've been able to generate this right here. So guys, all you want to do is to click onto the action section, and you can also easily just upscale your image to 4x right here, and you simply click onto download. So once you're done downloading that, the next thing we want to simply generate our avatar, and we can easily do that. So we want to simply paste in the prompt for our avatar right here. I'm just going to paste that right here. And the next thing guys, you want to simply select your image dimension. You can decide to make use of this or this right here, and click on to generate. Okay guys, let's simply make use of this. So you can easily just upscale this image and simply click on to download. So the next thing, once you're done generating your avatar, the next thing guys you want to simply make use of is to generate probably a mic for our video. So I can easily just go right here and simply just type in the prompt. So right here, I've been able to generate my mic, so you can upscale and download right now. So guys, once you're done generating all of that, go onto this platform called remove.bg. The right here guys, you can easily remove the background of a particular image by simply tapping onto action and go on to remove background. So if you simply tap on that, you can easily remove background of this particular image. But guys, I just simply love making use of remove.bg. So guys, all you want to do is to simply just drag in and drop in that particular image, and once you're done, it's going to remove the background within a few seconds. As you can see right here guys, making use of playground.com remove background. As you can see, I've been able to do this, so you can easily just download this. So you can easily just do this for all of the images that was generated right here on Playground. So either you make use of the Playground remove bg, or you make use of remove.bg. so this is done, so you click on to download. So once you're done with this, go on to photopia.com. Simply just upload the image of your avatar. So I can decide to just upload this image of my avatar right here. So once you're done with this, the next thing guys you want to do, select the spots inlay brush right here, and you want to simply just make use of this right here. So this is the layer we want to make use of. So as you can see, this is what the spots inlay brush can actually do. So once you're done with this, go onto the file, export this as a PNG file right here, and this will be downloaded right into our device. So once you're done with this guys, all you want to do is to go onto CapCut, which is a video editing platform. So right here guys, you import all of your assets needed to create your talking avatar. So once you're done importing all of the assets needed, now you can easily download the YouTube matte green screen right here. So once you're done, you simply drag in and drop in your studio. Now you can easily adjust your studio right here. You can decide to just adjust this right here. So once you're done, you can decide to adjust a bit. So the next thing guys you want to do, simply add in your avatar. So you can adjust your avatar to the end of this right here, and you can easily just adjust this right here to your video. So I'm just going to do this. Okay, so I'm just going to add in this table right here. So you can easily just get in a text for your video. So let's make use of this. You can add in your mic. Let's simply drag and drop in our mic right here. Now let's add in our green screen. So let's simply add this right here. I'm going to mute this right here, mute the clip audio. So once you're done, you tap on the green screen, you go onto the cutout section, enable the Chrome key, then tap on the color picker, tap on this, you go onto the strength, make this to be less than 80 or more than 80. Same goes for the shadow, to be more than 60. So once you're done, just adjust this right here. And guys, we're done with this, so you can easily just adjust all of this right here, and this you can come right here, you can easily just adjust. So let's simply split, so I can easily just delete that part right here. So let's simply play this video to know how it actually looks like. So let's play this. And guys, this is looking so amazing right now. So this is how you can easily create a talking avatar by simply making use of the step that I have showed you right here in this video, from playground.com up to remove.bg, up to Photopia right here, and up to CapCut, in order for you to be able to create a unique and an amazing AI talking avatars.